we're going to numb it up with lidocaine. We're going to actually aspirate out some of the swelling that we have in there, and then we're going to inject it.
Going to drain it first.
Yeah. So lighten up on your pressure just a little bit. Everybody see that space that we're talking about?
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Little black space. Advance just a little further. Okay.
I see the
And now,
needle.
nice and smooth, go ahead and aspirate out. Just got about 10 cc's out. Okay, so you're good there. You're good there. Okay, so you go ahead and release under pressure. So you're going to hold here, screw that off. That on there.
So you won't have to stick me again?
Nope.
Put that.
No.
Nope.
It just got the needle.
Okay, so now I'm going to verify where your needle is. So your needle is right there. Go ahead and inject all of it in there. Just go push it on in.
Wait for a little pressure.
Yeah.
And when you're done, come all the way out. There we go. And we're out. We'll take